Aloha, my name is Taylor Fernandez with Coconut Wireless Network, and we've been working hand in hand with La Pietra Hawaii School for Girls to bring its students its first ever TechZone. So come on, let's take a quick tour. Here at the TechZone, we have a full line of Legion series desktops, which means our PCs are equipped to handle any game on the HHSAA eSports list, giving our Panthers the greatest opportunities to get that victory royale. Go Panthers! As we move into the future, so will our students. By utilizing the LEGO NXT kits, our students will put a special focus on STEM by exercising their science, technology, engineering, and math skills, building different robotics using their creativity and imagination, the foundation for tomorrow and beyond. In this day and age, we understand that everyone has a voice, and every voice deserves to be heard. We encourage you to find your voice in the TechZone. It is a safe space for all students to be themselves, where they can document everything from their gameplay within the TechZone to what they had for lunch. And lastly, students will now have access to a 3D printer. This will help our students research and develop different ways to overcome any problems they face in everyday life. Also, allowing the students to showcase their innovations with the creation of anything they can imagine. Well, there you have it. Thank you all for stopping by and checking out our new TechZone here at La Pietra, where we are educating young women to lead a life of purpose.